You are number one of player of your field. You are working good. You are earning good money. But something into your life, it's a symptom. It will start like this. Something will come in your life which is unwanted. Depression always people have who is the player of their field. If you are an architect, your body wants go out from the everything you are involved in mesh your life. Okay, because your soul not born for this. Okay? And the people who have a depression already, they can understand this very deeply. Okay, feel raw. I now have to blast because your body not for that. Your body, your human being, your soul is not for that. The moment what you living, because you are a best in your work. But depression is the key of new door open in your life journey. Okay, no? You like that you are going very far alone by the step. When you have a depression, you must understand that I am in the wrong way and something is blow inside, and let it go naturally. Okay, so hello. I don't know, I will forget after then, so I need to make some notes from here. So I'm driving since 3 to 4 hours, and my subconscious mind level is very high. Okay, so usually I have some ideas into my mind always to create something and find out some solution to the problems and why it happened. It's why it started from the things, whatever. So this is a very important topic into my mind playing with a 2 hour. Okay, I don't know, it's universal helping me about this to make the video, because it's coming more. Okay, now I think, because I was thinking I will, when relax I will do that. So today I have a plan to go home, so I have already meditation around 3 hours on the rain, on the car, on the street, on the hotels, everywhere. Okay, so the mind level is very high. Okay, leave it this stupid things for you. So want to share this something very important. If you really suffer the depression, and the people who have a depression already, they can understand this very deeply. Okay, I'm going to make you understand the depression is the key of new door open in your life journey. Okay, new door open. You will say that, oh my god, it is stupid, huh? People go into the depression and he has a problem and he alone and blah blah blah, huh? Not eat, drinking, something. So no, depression is the key. I will prove you on this video. Okay, how I will make the all parts of this. The first thing, why we have a depression. Okay, the first thing, it's not related with the psychology, it's not related with the philosophy, life, or anything. I will tell you the very scientific explanation all. So please try to see all videos. Okay, why we have a depression. Notice that the people who stupid in the life, about the small money, about to take the things fast, want something very fast, to tell a lie or something like that people don't have a depression, never have a depression. That depression always people have who is the player of their field. if you are a architect, if you are a player, if you are a dancer, if you are a choreographer, yogi, whatever, who you are, you are a player, you are a number one on your field. Only you can have a depression. Most of the people have a depression. So why? Because you are number one in your field, okay, but there is something involving in your life which is unaccepted for your soul, unaccepted for your body or whatever in your body structure is unwanted, is all is coming, and you taking, but you are good in your field. But one thing happened on the one time when the level come very high. It can be a love, it can be a addiction, it can be a family, wife, children, whatever. It's like your body don't want to take that, but you are taking. Remember this thing. Why is you start? So you are number one of player of your field. You are working good. You are earning good money. But something into your life, it's a symptom. It will start like this. Something will come in your life which is unwanted. Your body don't want. You don't know this thing, huh? Remember. So when it become too much high, you addict something. It's like drink. It's like love. Can be love, and you hurt or something. Too much. When it go here, the water come out. So inside something become filled, and now have to blast, because your body not for that. Your body, your human being, your soul is not for that the moment what you living, because you are the best in your work, but something is from the outside involved in your life and you become like this. And when it's full completely, you go into the depression. Okay, these are the things, symptoms, how you go into the depression. Okay, these are things you accept a lot. Lots of story can happen with you. Okay, so this one round. Okay, why we get a depression? Okay, so now the second things what happened into the depression. And then okay, so you are a people who always best in the work, and after depression you go out everywhere, okay, wherever you are a best in the job, you zero. Okay, because that things coming to you, it make you completely feel headache. You just completely want to go out of the world. You want to live alone. You don't want to eat. You don't want to talk. You don't want to see some funny video. Whatever you're doing before, you're not going to do anything. You completely come out. But there is some, it's like a fire come. Like you get depression. Because that is not involved. Remember, these all are different. So when you go into different, you don't like this. It's an interesting thing. You think it's completely stupid, but this is completely scientific. Make you heal when you go alone. So when you go alone, you understand. It's like sadhu, monk. They go alone to the mountain or something like that. You don't like anything. So when you don't like anything in the world, you think that is a depression. No, that's not depression. Your body wants go out from the everything you are involved in mesh your life. Okay, because your soul not born for this. Okay, so that's why you get depression, to come out from all mesh things which you already in. So obviously you have to suffer that. Your work also have to spoil on that time. Okay, then you go out. Okay, and after you go out, you're not eating the food. Okay, so this is very scientifically reason. When you not eat food, so all the sickness of the inside. I tell you the first bit. I slowly. First thing, what happened? The body science. What is the science? When you not eat food, okay, so body start eating their first own fat. Okay, that's why people become very thin. I will connect everything, huh? Don't worry. So when people not eat anything, so first the body eat their fat. Okay, what is the extra into your body? Okay, so that's why people say that not eat anything, so I feel very weak and feel weak. It's not that. It's make you heal. It's true. They make you heal. They eat fat first, and then, because you not eat anything and you don't like in the depression. Okay, so it start making you heal. So your depression, your headache, your worry, this and that, when you alone, is going to eat itself. Then you go to potty or something. You become thinner more. You drinking, you smoking, whatever you do isn't matter on the depression. Remember, but you want to stay alone, right? So that's as the same monk. So how you spend the time alone, not eat food, your all the headache about your work, about whatever you hurt about the depression, why you have a depression, all everything going out slowly, and it take around 15 to 20 days. 15 to 20 days you completely change. Your body completely change, means 15-20 years. And nobody can do anything in the depression. Nobody can help you. Remember, if you don't want anyone, you are depression and you feel, okay, let I talk with somebody. No, some friend want to help you, some family want to help you. This is a scientific that you are not for them. You want, that's time they want alone. If you alone, you like that, you are going very far alone by step 3, 4, 5 kilometers, far. You just want to go. This also happened. So 15 to 21 days it take. Okay, depression go. Everyone. But I told you, if you are a player on your field, whatever you do, you are a number one. When you take out that time period of the depression, you come out by the problems. It's come out. I promise. After then to leave it. But in the between of depression, if you go to the doctor and eat some medicine and this and that, blah blah, they say that they have a conversation to make you comfortable, something. Sickness become more, take the more high level. Sickness take the more high level when you take the medicine. Okay, medicine give you more stubborn. Okay, so when you have a depression, you must understand that I am in the wrong way and something is blow inside, and let it go naturally. Okay, my dear. So please do not make the misunderstood that I have a depression and and I depression means everybody means I saw lots of, I will not take any name, but I saw very historical person, everyone have a depression because they are not on their way. They are on the way, but something get involved in the anything. It can be family, it can be wife, it can be love, it can be drink, smoke, whatever, charas, ganja, whatever. Okay. So when the body don't want to take this and is want to take, your soul wants that you please come on the way. That's it only. And when you complete your depression, you really become a new man. Come new man because you understand lots of things on the depression when you are alone. Like as a monk, as a yogi who always suffer alone. So please do not take the bad decision when you are in a depression. It's very, very important because there is a new way of your life going to open. Because when you come out from the depression, again your soul with the new things to take in. Oh, I think I talk a lot this because it's need to make the understand. Okay, and one more and more. Depression people don't like the people others because want to stay alone. Because when you stay alone, your body heal with the nature. You want to go alone, so anywhere to walk, to go to the park, or go to the mountains, anywhere. That's also symptom of the depression. After depression, you don't like eat, it's good. You don't like to eat, no need to eat because the body can eat their all the dishes. Brain have a lots of things mesh. Body have a fat a lot. It can come out by the tears, anger, is your indriya, your elements by the element. Yes, you wanna talk a lot. You get somebody, you wanna talk. Just you wanna talk because only the talk also the reason the things come out by your body. Talk, anger, your cryness, your sweating and your malmutra, your potty or susu is all the way to come out your emotions, the things bad inside. Okay, these are all of it. And you don't like to listen any song or sing anything, the videos, whatever you do in the back life. Okay, so these are the video. I think it's become very big. So please do not take any bad decision. Like some people come into this depression and they go into some suicide or very bad. Yeah, it will come because this is also part of your life. Suicide, life, happiness, everything will come. Sure, but sure, you are a strong character. You not because only the very less people in the depression take the bad decision. Because that's a life easy. Only the easy life people have a bad decision. Always take the bad decision for the life. So if you are a strong personality, you are not going to take any bad decision for your life. So okay. So 3-4 things I will share now. Okay, this is depression things. Now how to cure by the depression. Okay, how what we must do. I am making because I have already depression, but now I have depression 10 years ago on that time. So you don't like people, you just, if you want to drink alone, I just want to spend your time only. And you like to go alone, walk too much. You want to close the door and then you just want, I want to die but don't want any pain, just want to die. When you go in the high, I just feel like I'm going to die, let I jump. This also. Okay, So this all finished. Lots of people can understand this. Fourth, what we must do in the depression. Okay. So the people in the depression, please see depression. Please see. It will help you. I promise. The first thing. You just go. The place where you are. No. Not in the family. Okay, if you can't leave the family, okay, no need to leave family. Just from morning, go. You know where you go? Go to the park. Go to the park and just walk. Because you want to walk. I know. Your mind want to be, you don't want to remember all the before the thing. Because it only make your mind. And remember, it will come. Whatever happened in your past life, it all will come when you in the depression. All will make you, because you are in this moment. You have to cure that moment. So that moment will come. You have to see. Okay, come. But you make your body, physical body, somewhere busy. Like. But remember, do not sit somewhere and think. It make you more stubborn. Go walk. Go to the park. Some greeny park, okay? And walk. When, walk till that time, your legs say that no. When you walk, your mind will walk by your past. It's fight. Up now your body energy, your soul energy, and the energy of your past. Your soul energy more higher than your past energy. So it will win. Till that time you have a power on the legs to walk. It can be half an hour, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. That movement will cure that fight about your past. One moment, okay? There is one solution, okay? Walk. Please do not drink much. Drink can make you heal on that time, but it cannot heal. Otherwise, after then again you have to come into this process only. Second, go to the place, the people who nobody care, that place. Go there, sit, lie down, bath on the sea water, do whatever. Second reason, go somewhere, okay? But the one thing, remember, this all healing. You're fighting with your depression, okay? What about your past and this and that? It all will come. I'm just giving you some way to fight with that, okay? You can't ignore that all moments. If you ignore that by the depression, by the medicine, remember, it will become more mesh. So, second. Third, when you complete your walk, whatever, you do what you want. What do you want? You want to enjoy smoke, you want to enjoy drink, you want to enjoy family or friend, go, do it. This word. Remember, never do this when you smoke and drink or something, do bad thing. Never do this. You do this step when you healing, when you feel that I need to heal. Never do when lots of thoughts coming into mind. No, never do. When you have to do. When you complete your walk, when you feel very tired physically, my body very tired, depression complete, talk a lot, all the things. When you relax, okay, finish this, now I do. You do 10 times only this, I do now. Close your eyes, I open my eyes, close my eyes the same because I did meditation a lot. Lips, your lips are closed. Might all come. Okay. So your lips are closed and you have to speak only. I'm not saying you say Om, you say Bhagwan, you say God. No. Only scientific reason why. Okay. 10 times. Close your eyes. Okay. When you say this, what happened, you know? In the mind, when you say you can feel a vibrating hair when you say vibrating hair. That's why people say that Om. Vibrating hair, you know. It's better when you do close your ear. So all the vibration go, the physical movements go into the brain. Why walk your depression, fighting, blah blah blah, is here still now. Okay? When you relax and you speak like this, in the 10 time you do and you feel that is going disappear, is going somewhere while you speaking, and you going into your body. You don't know how is happening. You don't need to understand why is happening. How I'm feeling good. No. After 10 times you speak like this, you feel it's coming out. You can feel. You start liking this. After then you start liking this. Second day, third day. So how is happening this thing? You coming out by your depression, you start liking exercises because you feel you exercising. By the walk you exercise, you physically tired. When you physically tired, obviously the mind will relax. When the mind relax, then you speak the Om, ya, You start liking go to the nature park and this to talk with the good people. They don't care about the things or something which was meshed within your life before. So it will happen 3-4 days. After then you start feeling come out by the depression. You start liking the other people, not your past. So how is happened this? The things in your mind which is playing with your soul, okay, is going to heal. Remember, till that time the things in your mind here, and it can be make you sick by the cancer or some heart disease, by the liver failure. It can. Remember, depression give you any sickness very easy. You don't need any science in this, okay? Your body, you don't know your body, okay? I understand the body. Your body can make any disease by your depression, but if you go to the doctor, it's completely zero. Okay, it's give you some reason that your depression, so not depression, sickness. Okay, then he give you medicine, blah blah blah. But the root is your inside. Okay. So when you exercise, when you talk, when you walk, when you go into nature, is fight. And when you speak Om and this and that, is go out. When it go out, it come naturally. Okay? It go complete naturally. So please.